Okay, so what I'm going to do now is run the simulator and the race control from the start, and I'm going to show what happens when you scratch a runner. So we can scratch any runner we want, any number of runners, by entering their numbers into the scratch text area here, and that stops that data from that rover, simulated rover, being sent out. And what happens is that the new race control uses what's called dead reckoning to fill the gaps and carry on with that rover as if it was still getting data from it. It does this by using the previous data and calculating where it thinks it should be based on how fast it's going and the direction it's heading in. Okay, so we'll start the simulator, start race control, and go over and have a look at Track Navigator. So there's our field of runners, and we'll see they're strung out in actual saddle order. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the running order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'll do now is I'll scratch number 1. So number 1 is scratched. Check the running order, still okay. Check Track Navigator, and there's number 1 still keeping going, but if you notice it's going off a bit to the left compared to the others, and that's because when we stopped its output it was heading in a particular direction, and it's still going to keep going in that direction, but it's still in the lead, and that means that the running order is still right. So if I now unscratch it, I'm just going to go over to here and show you what happens. So number 1's now way off because it's heading, it doesn't know that it's what its direction is. Unscratch it, bingo, straight back in to where it should be, and it's now in the correct position, leading the race still, and running order still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to me that's working. We need to test it with the real thing now.